Assalamu alaikum. We are currently at Hamidi Kashmiri Memorial Government Degree College, Eidgah, Srinagar. This college has been established in 2019. It's still in its developing stage, so it's not widely known yet. But this college is right here in Eidgah, offering quality education and well-experienced faculty to the students of Eidgah and its catchment areas. Let's go inside and talk to the faculty and hear from Professor Deepa Sarma, the principal of this college, about the vision of the college.
We here at Government Degree College Eidgah offer admissions in all the three streams with science, arts and commerce. We offer here environmental science, chemistry, sociology, commerce, Urdu, political science, education, economics, geography, Kashmiri, Urdu as major and minor subjects. Besides, we have a basket full of skill courses like we have here apiculture, we have here mushroom culture, we have music, etc. to name a few. Hence, therefore, through this medium, I inform and invite the students, especially falling in the catchment area, to come and see the difference and seek admission in this college for various courses. Pertinent to mention over here that ours is amongst the bunch full of newly established colleges to get the UGC 2F recognition. Besides, ours is the first college to get 5 MOOC courses in all the Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. We have 5 MOOC courses running for the subject of environmental science and Urdu. So I cordially invite from the admission desks to all the students to join our esteemed institution, illuminate their future and illuminate their path and embark on a transformative journey of excellence and turn their every battle into art. Unlock your potential and shine with us. Discover your passion, ignite your future, and let the knowledge, innovation and creativity pave the way for your future success.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Shabnam Shabir, and from last 2 years I'm studying at GDC Eidgah. इस कॉलेज में दाखिला लेकर मैं अपने आप को बहुत ही खुशकिस्मत समझती हूँ। यहाँ आकर हमें बहुत ही दोस्ताना टीचर्स मिले हैं। मैं आपसे गुजारिश करती हूँ कि आप यहाँ आकर अपने मुस्तकबिल को संवारने की कोशिश करें। यहाँ आकर हमने बहुत बहुत अच्छे टीचर्स भी हैं यहाँ पे, और हमारे एक 1-to-1 अटेंशन भी मिलता है यहाँ पे। हर एक स्टूडेंट को अलग अलग अटेंशन मिलता है। इट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स करिकुलर एंड को-करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़।
I am Professor Deepa, Principal, Government Degree College, Eidgah, Srinagar, and I extend warm greetings to one and all. It gives me immense pleasure to inform you all that currently the admissions in the college are open for undergraduate courses in all streams: BA Honours, BCom Honours and BSc Honours. I would like to inform the audience that Eidgah Degree College is a young college of just 6 to 7 years with the inception in 2019. There have been many challenges and many hurdles along the way, but we have stood up to the challenges and taken it in our stride. I would like to tell you all that we would love to have the children from this area to take admissions in this college. We have a very vibrant staff, highly qualified, PhDs, postdoctorate, and a very good non-teaching staff also to take care of our students. I would like to inform you all that as stakeholders in the development of this area through education, I would appeal to the parents, the guardians, and the students to avail of this opportunity and take admission in this college. I promise you a holistic development. There is a lot of developing infrastructure currently happening in the college, from smart classrooms to all the landscape development happening around. The college has a huge area of 62 canals allotted to it, and we are currently in the phase of developing the whole area. I would like to inform you also that this college is affiliated to the Cluster University of Srinagar, and this in itself is good news for all of us, because all the significant and leading colleges of the city like Women's College, MA Road, SP College, Amar Singh College and Bemina College, the B.Ed College of Education are all constituent colleges of the Cluster University, and Eidgah Degree College is an affiliated college of the Cluster University Srinagar. As such, we follow the NEP 2020, which is the National Education Policy 2020 curriculum, and we offer the students the best of development, not only academically, but we promise a holistic development and offer co-curricular and extracurricular activities as well. Like I said, we have an amazing faculty dedicated to the cause of development of society, development of the college, and development of the student community as a whole. They have put their heart and soul into the development and the progress of this college so far. And as we all know, that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with that one step. We have taken that one step, and together with the support of all of you, of all the community, we want to take that long journey and put this college center stage, put this college up there with the best colleges, not only in this city, not only in this region, but one of the best colleges of the country. Thank you.